come alien this time. Bro, you think stack is matter in Siege, man? What? What? You think stack is matter in Siege, man? What are you talking about? Yeah, GL do 0 damage with Lightfall. So I don't know why you guys not just get one armbar alert and just keep pushing forward. Onos can't die.
Let's move out.
Restart.
Wolf, you're going the wrong way.
They're natural.
Wolf, you're going the wrong
Guys, go to the bottom right.
Wolf, you're going. Wolf,
I am on it.
Wolf, come on.
Did you right? Just
here,
power up
dude.
the
Just
power
grab
up the sub.
Check the dome.
You need like a steady stream of players going that way so we can keep the rest. We're not really supposed to have a...
I don't know why I think so.
We're going to pipeline. Wolf, Wolf, Wolf. Stay in line,
Start going into that, yeah.
Stay in pipeline.
Gonna get phase gate and destruction. Too many people left side.
Set steam, pipeline.
The base is under attack.
Gates are coming, guys. Like 15 seconds. Let's see if we can get them.
Go this way right now.
taking a fade soon.
Fucking hit. Fuck.
Structure waypoint. Objective completed.
Alright, protect the res, protect the res. Forward the power, forward the power.
That's the problem. Nobody's protecting this.
My piece, my. Search my.
Pipeline's dying. Where the fuck?
Objective completed.
Is Nano still alive? You gotta arc that man. You gotta build the arc, dude.
Just good name.
That's true. Dude, we can't. It's
Can't
been
beat
8
this.
minutes.
We can do the good name.
You gotta arc it, dude. It's been 8 minutes.
Build structure waypoint.
Your base is under attack.
You gotta arc it, bro. I'm telling you. I'm not trolling you, dude. I don't know why you're not listening to me.
You guys are wasting time with that gourd.
Can we arc Nano?
Go through the gate. Go through the gate right away. Go through
Dude,
the gate again.
phase again.
You're on the other gate. Somebody watch the pipe.
Okay, now we kill Nano. Now we kill Nano. Now we kill Nano.
One main, one main.
Command station under attack.
They're still on.
On me, Marines. Where's my team? What the fuck?
Guys, you don't have to go into Nano, okay? Stop going into Nano, just go to the Robo Factory. Guard Overlook.
The tunnel's one hit. What are you
Guard
doing?
Overlook. Guard Overlook.
Oh my god. I'm getting
Just walk in,
fucking
guys. Just walk in.
trolled.
We don't need arc. Arc is for noob.
You're trolling me.
It's too late now.
What is this gate order?
So you don't lose Overlook. Look at Overlook.
Dude, you killed the fucking base with your mine. Nice mine. Damn, it's crazy. He's probably pissed.
It's gonna die.
Oh no, sub.
Maybe it's kind of
Walk in.
Just getting no help here.
Soldiers are under attack.
Don't let us go. Don't let it go.
Oh my god, dude. Kick Gavin.
You're a whiny baby. Your name is Fitting.
Kick Gavin now. Get Gavin out of the server now. I don't want him to see me like this. Dude, this fucking commander is fucked up.
pretty honest.
Gotta do, like, where are you?
Unos die. Nice. Good beacon.
What are we doing? I don't even know what the fuck we're doing, dude. We still haven't been able to kill Nano. We're 13 minutes into the fucking game. We haven't been able to
Nano's
kill
dead,
fucking
bro.
Nano.
Nano's dead.
I almost
Nano's
fucking killed
Winning,
Nano.
baby.
Nano, they do not have Nano.
Stop
Nano's
toxic.
down, you brain dead.
Can we not lose our gate?
Okay, so great. So now we lost pipeline.
No, they haven't had pipeline. I cut the sys before we beacon. They had nothing in pipeline.
We don't need highlight. We beacon with you Unos. One Unos died by that beacon. That's excellent choice.
Build structure and waypoint. Objective completed.
You have to go
Tunnel,
just go through and shoot.
pipeline.
Shoot,
You've
jump,
lost
shoot.
the fucking game.
Sell off that.
Good
sell
on
off that.
you. Good on you, fucking troll.
Want this?
Troll commander. Trolling.
Commander wasn't troll.
You have weapons free.
Look
You
at
can do
this
anything you
dog.
want.
Low
Just stick
tech
together.
troll.
Chill Nanos, he's dead. Chill him. He's literally half HP right now. Keep shooting. Don't stop shooting. Don't stop shooting.
Is a loser.
What are you shooting right now? Here come. Shoot on us. Keep shooting on us.
We need to get the right side of the map for this game.
The gate is still safe. I can't do safe again.
These life forms are so bad, it's so funny.
Your base is under attack.
The gate.
Guys gotta just
We have a
push
lot
that
of
room.
res. Get
Like, you
jet.
can do
Let's
anything you want.
recap and get jetpacks. The game's not over.
Build structure and waypoint. Objective completed. Build structure and
Okay, that's all of our res. Speedy as fuck. That's all of our res. Concede.
Spend your money for God's sake. Don't sit
Yeah,
on
you
70
should.
res, 80 res.
Concede. You shouldn't have spent the big
If you spend your money on
like
mines,
constructive
don't need to be on that
criticism. Like you should have not beaconed. You should have not dropped the arc factory. You should have not dropped the phase gate. We have no team members.
We probably would have if I had done.
Yeah, we would have had enough res to fucking recap Topo, C12, and Nano.
He had to beacon because the Marino spend the money. People are sitting on
It was
80
a good
res.
try,
It's
guys. It
stupid
was a
as
good
fuck.
try. Just concede.
People not trying to win at all. They're just throwing
Hold
around,
X,
complaining
hold
to the
X,
commander.
Like, though we lost this game because of the team play. Hold X to concede. Hold X to concede.
It's not the baby false.
Did we win?
No, I mean it's the baby false. It's not
Good
the
job,
commander
Alien.
false. He sit on 80 res.
You found your scapegoat? Good.
Those sexy fucking aliens.
Those sexy fucking Canadians, am I right?
Just abbreviate it to gorgeous.
So what's the problem with refinery? People think it's a marine side map.
Yeah, it's just boring.